Hello and welcome to Learning with Toys. Today we're going to find some more treats for our little Scotty dog because he is getting a little bit bored with the food he has. So let's go down and see what we can find in our garden.
Did we get it?
Where's our spade? Don't forget the spade. So we're coming down in our garden. Most things in the yard are not good to eat, but we think we might have some wild onions that we could find. Do you see anything that looks like a wild onion yet? Oh, I think I do. This looks like one right here. Come over here and help me dig.
I'm coming, yeah.
Let's see if we got the onion out. Oh, I see something down there. A wild onion.
That's how you find wild onions.
Now remember, don't eat anything out of your yard unless your mom or whoever takes care of you says it's okay. You got to dig them all out of there. But these are very nutritious. They're high in vitamin C and they're in the allium family, like garlic and onions. Here are all the onions we found. We actually have another little cup inside, but this is a lot of them. Let's count to see how many are in this pile.
And then let's tell them how many we really have. And guess how many we really have even inside and also right here.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4, 5, yeah. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We actually had 98 onions here and outside.
Yeah.
In the house.
We just wanted to do a little counting practice with these. Now we're washing off our onions and getting them ready to eat. We may need to put them in our hands a little bit and rub them to get off some of that dirt. Always important to wash your hands and wash your fruits and vegetables whenever you're doing cooking. And it's almost time to cook our onions now. Okay, now that our onions are clean, they're ready to be cooked. We're cooking these in a little skillet with some water. Sometimes we use oil, but oil is not really that healthy, so we're just cooking with water right now and seeing how that will work.
Can eat these without cooking.
Say that again.
Here, little dog.
And now we're done with our onions. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Please subscribe to our videos. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Okay.